Now let's dive into the eighth wonder of the world, which is a compound interest, and let's see the difference. What will happen? What would happen in a hypothetical scenario of $1,000 a pound if we were to compound at 8% annually, or if our inflation would eat it up at 4%? Again, some assumptions. So we're going to do this nice and easy. So first of all, let's do quickly the sequence of 10 years. So essentially, I'm going to use the sequence formula. So for the rows, I'm going to be doing 10 plus 1, columns 0, start now we're going to have one column and then start at 0 and step 1, close the brackets, perfect, 10 years. And now let's link up our inflation. So we start always with, obviously, with the $1,000 a pound. Once again, I'm going to just make sure I'm going to be locking the column. And for the compounds, the same thing. So I'm going to lock this now for the column. Done. And now let's dive into what would happen with our inflation and our compounding. So in case of the inflation, we will have to divide the amount of 1,000 with 1 plus the percentage of the inflation, which is, as you can see here, at F4. And we're going to absolute lock this, absolute reference apply to this. And for the compound, we will do the same 1,000, which is here above. And once again, I'm going to just lock the column. But the best practice, by the way, I'm going to be multiplying this by 1 plus 8%. I'm going to lock this with absolute reference, press enter. So all we need to do right now is do Command C, Shift down, or Control C, and then Command V, Control V, and perfect. There you go. So now we can see that by the end of the 10th year, our $1,000 a pound would become 675, and our compounding interest of our 1,000 would become 2,159, almost 201,059. So that's the power of compounding, and that's how much, and that's why it's actually how much it's the power eighth wonder of the world, and how much we can actually lose by not investing our money. So that's it.